At NetVia Group, precision is not just a goal, it's a guarantee. At the heart of NetVia's world-class PCB manufacturing process is cutting-edge technology, including the remarkable DLG-550 high-speed drilling machine. Equipped with advanced optical encoders and powered by state-of-the-art linear motors, the DLG-550 delivers unprecedented precision and efficiency. Utilizing a sophisticated machine vision system, the DLG-550 precisely registers each panel, ensuring unmatched accuracy for every drilled hole. This meticulous alignment is crucial, particularly when working with advanced materials and complex circuit designs, where accuracy determines reliability. During drilling, high-powered linear motors dramatically reduce cycle times, delivering thousands of precisely placed holes at incredible speed, consistently monitored by advanced drill-breakage detection and laser measurement systems. This commitment to accuracy and speed translates directly into superior PCB quality. At NetVia Group, quality and efficiency are backed by over 35 years of industry expertise. As part of Epec engineered technologies, we leverage global resources and a tradition of excellence, offering custom, high-reliability printed circuit boards trusted by leaders in aerospace, medical, defense, and technology sectors. Precision, reliability, and consistent on-time delivery, that's our promise. Because we understand your technology depends on ours. NetVia Group and Epec Engineered Technologies, where your vision becomes reality. Let us deliver precision you can count on.